Hello everyone, welcome to AIDER AI, an artificial intelligence tool. So what exactly is it? Well, it's basically a tool that allows us to program through the terminal with our different LLMs, right? With various models. Which models? Well, with cloud-based or local ones, okay? It works best with Claude 3.7, but also with DeepSeek or any local model we have. Got it? It's compatible with ChatGPT and others too. It supports over 100 languages, maps our code base, and allows Git integration. The key feature is that it lets us code directly in the terminal, as shown in their demo video, okay? It might not sound that interesting, but running processes directly from the terminal obviously makes things faster, right? Here, they show us how to get AIDER, okay? It's basically Python and pip install, AIDER install, and that's it, got it? Then we just change the directory if we want to switch to a database. They show how to save DeepSeek, Claude 3.7, and others, okay? If we check the guide, we'll find a bit more explanation, alright? About other models we might want to get, okay? We have everything here. We can connect to other LLMs if we don't want the provided ones, okay? They show LM Studio as an example. Just copy this code, paste it in your terminal, and you're set. Got it? So I just wanted to show you the tool, and, well, I don't think there are any reviews. I'm experimenting with Cursor and AIDER. They're good, but it's hard to spot AIDER's changes. If we have a GitHub project, AIDER lets us auto-commit, push branches, and create PRs right from AIDER itself, you know? The reviews explain that Cursor, AIDER, and similar tools work well for small projects, right? For complex projects, it might be better to use a real programmer. This isn't just about AIDER, but the AI and LLM we use.